on a rotating basis, something organized, something fair, so everybody does their part. But we have one major concern when we take students to the field. What do you think is our number one concern about students when we go in the field?
Safety.
Oh, sanitation's a good one, but I was going to say a different one first.
Safety? Safety management.
You said, yeah, safety procedures. And I will say, you know, one of the first things that we don't allow is sandals. I've seen many people with sandals. And so I can say this because I can't get fired here, right? They won't fire me. But we would not let a student come without good shoes, and usually boots. But it's a different culture in the United States. If we had a student with sandals and their foot was hurt, the university runs a big risk that the parents would sue. You know what I mean by sue? Yeah. They would get the lawyers involved and they would make the university pay big money and all that. So,